Good morning, Manga Kalasa. Today is the day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice for His glory and grace. We thank you, Lord, for this wonderful morning that you gave us, and we thank you for our strength every day in life. Forgive us our sin, O Lord. Manga Kalasa, as you can see today, we will do continuations of the installing of formworks for second floor column at grid number 7, and then remove formworks from partials poured column at grid number 8, placing of tie rod at formworks. Today is our 78 days of progress development of our construction project. Please watch until the end of my video, Manga Kalasa. Don't forget to follow, to subscribe, to share, to click, pick, and to hit the notification bell to always be updated in my daily uploaded videos. This is Mr. Serg's _ Manga Kalasa TV. As we can see, Manga Kalasa, our workers will be able to do the schedule of partial concrete pouring column at grid 7B, 7C, and 7D, and some of our workers will be installed stirrups on steel column.
Mr. Serg's _ Kalasa TV.